If you're upgrading your Volkswagen stereo, the right installation pocket makes all the difference. This Volkswagen radio installation pocket is designed with precision to fit perfectly in your factory double-din dash opening, eliminating gaps and giving your dashboard a seamless, factory-fresh look. What sets this kit apart is its exact color match to your factory dash. Painted to blend in flawlessly, it maintains the original style without drawing attention. Plus, the factory-style texture ensures it feels just like the rest of your dashboard, keeping your car's interior looking cohesive and polished. Beyond aesthetics, this pocket offers practical benefits. It holds up to 3 CD cases, giving you handy storage right where you need it. Whether you still enjoy physical media or want a convenient spot for small items, this feature adds real value without compromising style. Installation is straightforward thanks to its precise tolerances. The pocket fits snugly, preventing any unwanted movement or rattling once in place. Some users have noted minor popping out issues, but these usually stem from how radio cords are arranged during installation. Adjusting the wiring can easily fix this, ensuring a secure fit every time. Customers from across the United States praise this product for arriving promptly and fitting exactly as advertised. It's a simple, effective solution that gets the job done right, no guesswork, no frustration. If you want a clean, professional look with added storage, this pocket is a solid choice. Worth a look if you're upgrading your Volkswagen stereo setup and want a hassle-free, reliable installation accessory. It blends perfectly, holds your CDs, and keeps your dash looking factory new. Try it when you're ready to finish your upgrade with confidence. This Volkswagen radio installation pocket delivers what you need: a precise fit, factory-matched color, and practical storage. It's more than just an accessory, it's the finishing touch that makes your stereo upgrade feel complete.